In this video, I'm going to give you tips on how to make your video go viral on YouTube, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so I'm going to tell you how you can make your video go viral on YouTube. So there's tons of different ways that videos go viral in today's day and age. A viral video is just a video that gets a lot of views in a short period of time and keeps growing, and it just seems like it pops out of nowhere, but it explodes. So a video like this one that has 800,000 views, or like this one, underwater aircraft carriers. So, you know, there's all these videos that appear like they have all these views, and some of them have gone viral, some of them have had an ad budget. But usually it's a combination of a bunch of different things. Videos that go viral are typically around trending topics. They're also searchable, widely shared, and they have an ad budget behind them to boost them even more. So if you want your video to go viral, you gotta first start with a trending topic or something related to a trend, and that way you can twist it for your niche and create something that people are going to see because they're searching for it. So one popular tool that you can use to capitalize on new trends is Google Trends. So I'm on Google Trends, and Google Trends is a website that shows you what's trending in search across YouTube, the web, and other networks. So it can show you map comparisons, and you can learn the insights of different things that are going on in the world. You can select your different country, and you want to probably pick the country that you are going to be making your video for that audience. So if you want to find the top trends right away, you can click this hamburger menu on the left, and then you can click on trending searches. Now, not every niche is going to be able to apply these trends easily, so you got to pick and choose appropriately. For example, when you're in the health science niche, you might want to talk about this medication that's helping people to recover from coronavirus. It's getting 50,000 plus searches today, and you can look into it and see the different articles about it, and you can start reading about it. And if you made a video on this, or a blog post, or some sort of content that you push behind paid traffic, it's going to get a lot of notice and it's going to be shared. The nice thing about trends is you really don't need an ad budget behind it. But really, if you make your video searchable and it's based on a trending topic that stays for a little while, it's going to grow on its own. So there's all these different topics for the day, and you can actually look at real-time trends and you can see what's exploding and what you can capitalize on. So if you have a sports channel, I'm a Browns fan actually, so what you could do is you could talk about David Njoku and how he wants a trade from the Browns. So that's trending. It is trending down now, but it did have a huge spike in the last 24 hours, so you can capitalize on that. You can also choose different categories. So let's say you're in science and tech, you could select that, and you could look at, like, there's a Fortnite article here, and it's talking about a television set, so Fire TV, so that's like a new release from Amazon or something that's trending. It's talking about Madden. So a bunch of different games and tech things that you can review, and then you can sell as an affiliate. If you want to get more specific with your niche or topic, what you can do is click explore, and then you can type in a topic. So I can type in something like affiliate marketing, because that's what I focus on. I focus on affiliate marketing, digital consulting, e-commerce, and how to grow online with digital marketing. So what you can do is you can select topics around your niche. So I can select affiliate marketing. You can see that it's been trending worldwide for the last 12 months, and it's growing and growing. What I would want to do is I would want to filter this based on where my audience is. So my audience is in the United States, and then I would want recent data, so maybe the last 30 days. You can see the states and the regions that is currently trending in. So Nevada and New York are pretty strong. And you can see the top topics that are rising. So profit, Audible, the website, passive income, what a startup company is, an affiliate. So these are all breakout topics. And then you can see related queries. People are looking up CrossFit affiliate fee, how to get affiliate on Twitch affiliate requirements, which really aren't like affiliate marketing related, but it does have affiliate in the word. So you got to be careful about some of these queries. And then best affiliate programs. You can also look at the top searches in that time. So affiliate program, affiliate marketing, and you can go through some of the different queries. Same with the topics. So Amazon's really up there, marketing in general, advertising, all these different things. Now, this trend is relative, right? So if I put in something like Facebook and compare it to affiliate marketing, Facebook's going to blow it out of the water. And that's because Facebook gets a ton of searches. It's one of the biggest social networks that exists, if not the biggest. So they're going to get a ton more traffic. And so this is really relative. If you really want to know if a topic is a top topic to be searching, not just something based on something you thought of searching, what you can do is you can remove that keyword, and then you can go into either all categories or pick your category. So for me, I could go into business, go down to like small business, and maybe like MLM and business opportunities. So I can talk about that and review those programs or something like that. So Tyrone Proctor, Earn It Act 2020, legitimately, the Margot affair. So these are all things that might be potentially related. Ameriplan, same with the topics, so advanced fee scam. So let's say I wanted to look up Ameriplan. So I looked up Ameriplan MLM because I knew that it might be an MLM company, and it's talking about that, and there's some reviews. So you can check out some of these reviews. You can see if they're recent or not, and you can do your own review. And because that it's trending in the small business and MLM category, and because I'm using a tool called Keywords Everywhere to see how many keyword searches there are a month, I can see, oh, well, there's a lot of searches. It is trending. It's a good topic. It's rising. It might be good to create content right now. You can also change this and switch it between image search, news search, YouTube, and Google Shopping. So let's say I wanted to do YouTube search because I'm trying to make something for YouTube. So these are all the topics that are trending on YouTube. So Nintendo, Juice WRLD, he's a rapper. Dan Locke, who's in the space, make money online. So not always are these topics going to be directly related. It's just queries that are categorized in this category, but Dan Locke is a good one. He's in the category. This is a song, Rich Forever, so that wouldn't count. How to make money as a teenager, so that's blowing up because there's a ton of people not with jobs and they're out of school right now. There's a lot of things you can do with this tool. It's an incredible tool. So what you would do is you'd make a YouTube video. You would use that in your title and your description several times, as well as your tags, and then you would publish it basically the same day or the same week as the trend is exploding, and then you could take advantage of that trend. You can ride the wave. So if it's a new song release, if it's a new movie release, a new product release, a new service, maybe something's picking up that was, not trending a while ago, but now it's picking up, like Amazon, for example, their affiliate program was booming, and then it really skyrocketed when they changed their commission plan. So you can create content around that, and then it starts booming. By taking advantage of trends, you can make your videos go viral. You should also share your videos after you make them and put them on Reddit and LinkedIn and Facebook and have your friends share them. The real true nature of a viral video is that it's really shareable. So if people are sharing your video, you know that it is a really trending topic and people really want to watch it. You can test this by just putting it out on Twitter and Facebook and LinkedIn, and maybe even putting paid traffic behind it to see if people are sharing it and putting it on playlists on YouTube. It doesn't just apply to YouTube. You can make trending videos around all sorts of different things and put it on Facebook, LinkedIn. The nice thing about YouTube is that if you put something up, it's a search engine, so it's going to build up over time and people are going to be able to search for it. So if they're searching for it in Google and YouTube and you capitalize on that right when it spikes, you could be one of the first people to make a video on it, and then you could be the expert on that, and everybody's going to go to your video. With these tips, you'll be able to make a viral video in no time. Keep trying, because the goal isn't just to make a viral video, it's to be able to repeat this process and make your videos go sort of viral. Like, you get a lot of views maybe for your channel. Your goal is to first start with the big trends that everybody is searching in trending searches, see if it applies to you so you can take advantage of those huge topics. And then what you should do is try to figure out if those trends don't work for you. You need to find stuff that's more related to your topic, your niche, with the categories, exploring related queries, and you just keep inching your way down. It's kind of like a hierarchy. You might start with like business, and then you go into like small business, internet marketing, or like music. You might start with music, go into rap. You find a song that's going popular, then you find artists related to them, and you can like figure out content off of that content. So keep that in mind. The sky's the limit. If you're trying to build your business on a viral video, then hopefully these tips will help you accelerate that process. It can be a gateway to tons of opportunities. But what happens when those people follow you and there's nothing for them to buy? How are you gonna make money? You need to set up a sales funnel. You need to split test what mediums of advertising you need to employ. You need to create compelling offers, and you need to be able to sell products so you can keep those people around and you can spread your brand everywhere. You can't build a business off of one viral video without having the infrastructure in place. When I got started with my online business, I didn't have any infrastructure and I didn't know what I was doing. At times I would get frustrated when I would try to learn more about Google Ads or affiliate marketing or how to do YouTube SEO and all these other different topics, and I would just get lost in the weeds. I was ready to give up, but I kept pushing through because it was worth it. Once I stumbled upon the right strategies and the right mentorship, I was on my way to success. When I got started, I wish I had a step-by-step guide that would help me succeed online fast. What if I told you that I had that exact guide just for you. Well, the good news is I do, and it's free. If you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, you can grab your free fast track guide on how to start an online business. With my guide, you're gonna learn how I create a passive income business. You're gonna see how I double my growth each and every day with little tweaks and little strategies. And you're gonna see how I can spend more time with my family and friends without having to do all the hard work with research, because I've packaged it all up just for you. The link to grab my free guide is at the top of the description and the comments. So go down there and you can grab my guide. If you go to drewbusinessaccelerator.com/freedom, you won't ever want to quit on your business again, and you'll be able to accelerate yourself to your first sale. If you like this video, hit that like button, I really appreciate it, and share it with your friends. Jump on that subscribe button and slap that notification bell so you don't miss a single video from me. There's a video right after this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.